Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Happy hump day. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree and my channel name is I Desire Wealth. Like I said, I hope everyone is having a great day. What I wanted to do is do a What's in My Wallet Wednesday, thanks to Stephanie over at Saving Stuff with Stephanie. So here's the budget. So for gas, I budgeted for $50. I didn't use any gas money just yet. For grub, I budgeted $180. I did use some of that. And for spending, I did budget for $77, which I did use some of that. So instead of me writing transactions here on my calendar, what I wanted to do was just write out my no spends. As you can see, I had quite a few since getting paid on the 10th. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this may count as one because I didn't use any of the money from my cash envelopes to pay for that. But let's go ahead and check to see what was spent all together. And it looks like, and I'm not sure if you all can see that. I know next time I probably should change the color from orange, but that's the only erasable pen I was able to find, but it'll be okay. Let's see. Okay, that may look a little better. So on the 11th, which is after payday, I went to Walmart, spent $23, and then that was it from groceries. Ended up with $46 on Chime and $144 in cash. On that same day for spending, I spent $11. I had $66 left in cash. On the 14th, from my buffer, I let my cousin borrow $25 to get home. And that's all we're going to say about that because that day was a hot mess. On that same day, I decided, hey, instead of cooking because it was extra hot outside, I said, well, let's get Popeyes. So got Popeyes. It was $27 and some change, so $28 all together. That actually lasted us for 2 full days. Ended up with money left over for grocery. And then this is the 15th where we officially went grocery shopping at Piggly Wiggly. And y'all, we spent $122, which was good because it was in budget, and this food is going to last us a few weeks. So $37 left. And on the 14th, which is, this actually came from my buffer it came from the quarters I had for laundry money. My back left tire needed air. The air pressure signal was on, so I stopped by Walmart, got air, and that costed $2.50 in quarters. And also on the same day, I turned around and spent $9 on snacks, and I should have $57 left for spending, and I should have $37 left in spending as well. Yesterday I went to Walmart, and my friend that actually worked at Walmart, she sent me a notification about this debit card. It gives you cash back. It gives you cash back rewards on Walmart and other things. I will put my link below because what I did was I went to Walmart, got everything I needed. That totaled up to $20.91. And what I did was spend $20 from the card. I actually sent $20 to that card because if you spend $20, you get $20 back. So I spent $20 from the card, and I spent 91 cents from Travis' card. And right after I checked out and paid for it, it did send me the money. So the $20 that I got back, I sent it back to where it needed to go. And then it also turned around and gave me $15 for cash back. So I ended up spending $20.91, getting $20 back, and also getting some more money back for cash back. So altogether, I think I got $15 cash back, and another, I want to say I ended up having $37 altogether as money that came back to me. So instead of me taking the $5 out of here and putting it back into my original bank account where I got that $20 from. I just added it back into the budget. So here's my transactions for grocery, and as you can see, things a little all over the place, but I'm just going to keep them there. Here's that $5, and let's do this. So we have 20, 30, 5, 6, 7. So $37, and I ended up getting groceries with money that I pretty much got for free, so that's good. And for spending, I said I should have $57. Whoops. So here's that tracker. I don't know what was going on up here, but this is actually right, except for the $40 in envelopes. So I got 20, 40, 5, 55, 6, 7. So 27, I mean, not 27, but $57. And what I'll do is just put this back in here. And of course, like I said, I haven't gotten any gas, so I still have $50 in my online account that's still waiting. So let me just go through now. And I got a feeling some may end up falling. So for gas, we didn't use any. Still got 50 bucks. For grub, out of the $210, we pretty much used all but $37. For spending, we used all but $57. And I'll wait to the end to get these totaled up. That way I can have the right numbers. So that's it for this part of the video. If you haven't seen this video right here, you should run and check it out. And definitely pay attention. There is a back to school giveaway announcement that me, Tammy from Make Money Save Money, Kris from Budgeting Just Because, and Deborah from Deborah's Journey, also Cassie from Cassie J Budgets and Blog. Hopefully I got that name right. Also, this is what I purchased for Prime Day. Normally, if you go to, let's say, Walmart, 4 of the Quest protein shakes cost $7 and some change. I was able to get 12 for that amount, so I thought it was a great deal. And also, I got some protein chips for this amount as well. Normally, one bag of protein chips costs $2.96. And if you want a big amount, or let's say they have a variety bag with like 4 in it, or either 8, and that's like $10. So that's why I got these right here. I thought that those were a really good deal. Other than that, when it comes to Prime Day, I didn't see much of anything else. Like I was telling everyone else, I had a vacuum in my cart because I was keeping up with the prices, just like Tara was on Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. When I put the vacuum in my cart, it was $49 and some change. When Prime Day came around, that vacuum went up to $69 and some change. And the crazy thing is that I can go to Walmart and get that same vacuum for $49. Don't forget, if you want to have this challenge, all the links would be below. Links for back to school are down below. The full playlist for all 5 videos, that's me, Kris, Cassie, Tammy, Deborah videos, are all below. Don't forget to leave winning in your comment to be eligible for the giveaway. And you also need to subscribe to all 5 of our channels, and also be publicly subscribed as well. And if you're seeing this video on the 17th, go ahead and head over to Instagram and check out the post over there. Same thing, just like this one. Pay attention, follow the rules, and happy winning. Bye.